Good afternoon, good evening guys. This is FM Ramento Ads Hero. So, as I promised, ito yung video kung saan ipapakita ko sa inyo yung current updates ni Meta, whereas we can do sa messaging campaign yung previously na nagagawa lang natin kay conversions. So, before I go, ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba ni messaging campaign or conversation campaign versus conversions campaign? Ang malaking bagay na pinagkaiba nila is si conversion campaign merong Facebook pixel. Si conversation campaign or messaging campaign walang Facebook pixel. So ang ginagawa ng Facebook pixel is siya yung nagtatrack ng lahat ng activities sa ating website. For conversation campaign, there is no such as website, no? Nangyari yung bentahan in messengers using conversations. So with current update ng Facebook, and this is really amazing for me because nag-run ako ng Facebook ads pero wala pang ganitong feature dati. So ang feature ngayon ng Meta sa messaging campaign is this one. Okay? You just go to your custom audience. Again, ito yung pag may pixel ka, no? But for this one, we will go especially for messaging campaign. So, go to your Facebook page. Then, by the way, audience muna. So, gagawa tayo ng custom audience. Then, go to your Facebook page. Yan yung magiging source ng ating custom audience. Then, click next. Then, here, pipiliin mo yung page mo. Then, events na gusto mong gagawin mo ng custom. Then, 365 days. Or, kahit ilan actually. So, ito na yung update na sabihin ko sa inyo. You can now do, ito guys, you can now do retargeting with messaging campaign. Ibig sabihin, kaya mo na exclude yung mga bumili na, or you can create custom audience na mga bumili na, then create a look-alike audience based on that. So, paano ba yun gawin? So, you go to events. From here, you can, okay, mukhang wala rito. So, I'll be needing to select another page, no? By the way, yung quality ng content or ng custom audience mo is based sa data ng page na meron ka. So, for this one, let's select another page. For example, this one. So ito, marami ng data tong page na to. And from here, you can go and select yung pinakababa. People who made the purchase after messaging your page in Messenger. So right there. Then select audience retention, let's say 180 days. So 6 months, lahat ng mga bumili after messaging the page can be captured, no? So papangalanan mo and all purchase, let's say all per 180 days, no? Then people who made purchase on Messenger, then you can create audience. So what does it mean? So magkakaroon ka ng custom audience na magamit mo for targeting, for retargeting or for scaling. Then yung custom audience mo na yon, you can create a look-alike audience from that. Okay? So, previously, available lang ito sa ating conversions campaign because yun yung merong pixel, right? So, dito, piliin mo Philippines. Ayan. So, makakuha ka na ng look-alike audience ng lahat ng bumili. Again, I am fascinated because previously available lang to sa conversions campaign. But right now, we are able to enjoy it with messaging campaign. So, yun lang guys. If may nakuha kang value, comment ka lang sa video na to na pasalamat ka kung ano ibig sabihin nito sa'yo, and kung in-apply mo at maganda result, please also let me know para naman ganahan pa tayo na gumawa ng videos. Yun lang guys. This is FM Ramento, Ads Hero. God bless.